as well on Android. And then you have the Android Wear stuff. So to do the Android Wear and Glass stuff is all Android-based. And then Pebble, you can either use iOS or you can use Android. Unfortunately, they don't have a Windows Phone SDK for Pebble. So I'm going to show you how you build a Pebble app with C#. Something that's worth noting is actually a lot of the apps require companion apps. Because this device uses C or JavaScript to actually create applications on the device, pretty much all the work is done on companion devices and then just sends information to the device. So the Smartwatch Plus app here is iOS only because I guess the developers didn't want to build an Android version of their app. And also, it requires an app that costs $2 or $3. So from the looks of things, it looks like it's an app that you can put on your Pebble device, but you're required to use an app that you have to pay for. So it's kind of a bit misleading there. You can also build apps such as this Mercedes app on the right-hand side here. And again, that requires an app. If you're an Android user and you have a Mercedes, then you can't actually use this. You need to have an iPhone. Maybe Mercedes know that all their owners have iPhones. So it's kind of a weird mix between you need to have a device, and if you don't develop an app for that device, then users on Android or iOS can't actually use your app. So I'm going to be using Xamarin Studio to show this example. But you can use Visual Studio for doing this as well on Windows. So I'm just going to be showing it on Mac. So that's what I normally use. So I have an existing app on